What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you being here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and add your OpenAI API keys into Clay. Now, I've received a ton of questions about this over the past week about where to actually find these API keys. They're quite hidden. They're actually on a completely separate domain to ChatGPT. So what you want to do is come up to the Google search bar and type in OpenAI, and then you'll be brought to this page. Now, unfortunately, billing isn't one of the site links here. So the quickest way to find the billing is to click API keys, and that'll bring you to this first page. Now, unfortunately, billing isn't anywhere here on these pages on the first screen. So your usage is here, which is nice, but unfortunately, there's no way to actually add your billing method. So the only way to do it is to actually come up to the search bar manually and just type settings, and that'll take you to the behind the scenes settings page where you still have access to your API keys, but you also have access to your billing as well. So in this page here, you can actually add your card, add auto recharges if you'd like, and actually see how much credit you have on the account. Once you've done that, you can come back to API keys and create a key if you haven't already. Type in a name, attach it to a project, and then click create secret key. Now, I've already done that, so what you want to do is come back over to Clay, click actions in the top right, be under enrichments, and then click use AI. Then from there, you'll be brought to this page here, and then you just want to click configure, and then Clay's default Argon model will be there. Then you want to change that to, I go with ChatGPT 5 mini. I find that to be the most cost effective and efficient model. You don't need anything more than that. And then from there, it'll bring up your account. Now, I've already added mine, so you just want to click add account and then enter in your API key there. Then once that's done, then you want to actually go and add a prompt. So I think the best thing we can do is let's try and do LinkedIn URL. It's right in front of us. So based on this LinkedIn URL, then you want to click slash on your keyboard. Then that will bring up this menu here to link it to a column, and then just type in LinkedIn URL. Then ask it to actually find a question. So you can click, what industry do you think this person works in? And then just get it to specify, give me a one-word answer only. That should be more than enough to test it for this purpose. And then I would uncheck auto update just so you don't get destroyed with a ton of credits being used. And so after all that, then you can click save, and then it will create the column. Then from there, we can just test a couple of different items just to make sure that it is all working properly. We can drag that a little further this way, and we can just check these two boxes just to double check if it's working. Should only take about 10 to 20 seconds or so. Now, while it's doing that, let's actually just double check what industry these people are in. It's doing the top two, so oops, where did that go? So technology, serial tech entrepreneur, yes, that's great, and it's still going on the second one, but it should also have technology as well because it's cloud-related software. So with that being said, that's how you actually add your OpenAI API key to Clay, and that's how you've actually integrated it into a column. So I'll upload another video tomorrow about how to actually add your Gemini API key if you want to use another LLM. That process is a little bit more tricky and a little bit more convoluted to actually find the API key. So if you have any questions, please just feel free to leave a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you have anything else you'd like to see me make videos about, please leave that in the comments as well. I'd love to hear from you. That's all I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.